This iPhone 15 Pro Max came in for display issue. The phone was brought by a technician. He said he has tried testing the phone with another new screen, yet it's still blank. Nothing is displaying on the screen. We began our diagnosis by checking all the display lines with our digital multimeter. Then we found out that a line among the display lines is faulty, which is PP 6.8 volt _display _AVDDH. This fault was caused by a shorted capacitor on the line. Let's locate it. Repair process. Successfully fixed. Phone now able to display, and the touch is also working.